Have you ever wondered if learning small engine repair online is worth it? With so many DIY options and resources available, diving into small engine repair can be a smart move. But is online learning the best way to go? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about why small engine repair is useful. From lawnmowers and leaf blowers to ATVs and chainsaws, small engines power the tools and machines we use every day. Learning how to repair these engines can save you serious money and even open up side hustle opportunities. There are plenty of online resources ranging from structured courses to free, in-depth tutorials on YouTube. Online options are flexible, affordable, and can teach you everything from the basics to more advanced repairs. But keep in mind, online learning has its challenges. You'll need hands-on experience to fully grasp certain skills. While watching videos and reading guides are great, nothing replaces getting your hands on an actual engine. Maybe thinking about starting a small engine repair business? One great way to get started is by posting ads on Craigslist. It's simple, affordable, and a reliable way to get your first customers. Plenty of people look for quick local repair services on Craigslist, so your ad is sure to bring in work requests from neighbors in need. As you build up satisfied customers, word will spread about your expertise, and before long, you may not even need to advertise. Reputation is key in this line of work, and a few well-done jobs can position you as the go-to local small engine repair technician. So start simple and watch your business grow. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, if you're committed and ready to get hands-on practice, along with online learning. For many, the investment in time and resources can pay off big in saved repair costs and skills that can be turned into income. This channel has over 200 videos about small engine repair. The video link here can get you up to speed quickly on basic small engine, internal combustion, engine theory. It's a great place to start. However, there's no substitution for hands-on experience. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you're considering learning small engine repair online. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY advice.